Tilt the titration tank. Gently place magnetons in the bottom. Add the reagent to the anode chamber. The reagent needs to be in 100 to 150 milliliters. Install the measuring electrode. Install the electrolytic electrode. Insert drying tube. Place the titration tank in the groove of the instrument magnetic stirrer. Insert the electrolytic electrode into the electrolytic socket. Insert the measuring electrode into the measuring socket. Press the power button to power on. Inject about 5 milliliters of reagent through the drying tube socket. The liquid level of the yin-yang poles remains basically the same. Click moisture measurement. The instrument starts stirring automatically. Use 100 microliter injector to extract proper amount of pure water. Inject slowly from the injector. The color change of the reagent was observed while injecting. When the reagent changes from black-brown to light yellow at the same time, the instrument begins to count when the measuring potential and electrolytic current are digitally displayed, and the water should be stopped immediately. Click to start. Wait for the drip-drip sound of the instrument. Reagent initial equilibrium completed. Solid sample detection. Take a spoonful of the sample. Weigh with a high-precision balance. Enter the sample name on the screen. Selective gravimetry. Input gross weight. The sample is placed into the anode chamber through the inlet. Weigh the spoon. Enter tare weight on the screen. Click to start. Wait for the drip-drip sound of the instrument. Detection completed. Print detection data can be saved. Enter sample name. Selective volume method. Enter the sample volume. Input sample density. The sample is injected into the anode chamber through a cock with a 100 microliter sampler. Click to start. Wait for the drip-drip sound of the instrument. Detection completed. Print detection data can be saved.